So this is question number 29, guys, and we are solving the count the occurrence of a character in a string. Okay, so the step 1 which I am going to explain you about, it is define the input string and character to count. Okay, so in this step you define the input string in which you wanted to count occurrence and the character, in this case s, that you want to count. Okay, come to the step 2, initialize a variable to store the count. Okay, here you create a variable named count and initialize it to 0. This variable will be used to keep track of how many times the character appears in the string. Come to the step 3, iterate through the string. In this step you use a for loop to iterate through each character in the input string. For each character you check if it is equal to the character you wanted to count. If there is a match, you increment the count variable. Come to the step 4. Finally, you use console.log to display the count of occurrence of the characters in the string. Okay, and when you run this code with the input string and characters, it will show you the output. Occurrence of s is 6, right? 1 2 3, see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? If you wanted to find the a, you can write a. After that, run this code, it will show you this. Okay, so this is the question number 29 is over. Let's meet in the question number